गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ स्टूडेंट. महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड न्यू सिलेबसनुसार चॅप्टर सेकंड चॅप्टर फर्स्ट रोटेशनल डायनॅमिक या टॉपिकमधील आपण हे आर्टिकल पाहत आहोत. रोटेशनल कायनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ बॉडी. रोटेशनल कायनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ बॉडी. When body is rotating, that is consider a rigid body is rotating about an axis passing through point O. Then this body consists of n number of particles of masses m1, m2, m3 up to n number of particles. m1, these are the first particle, second particle m2, m3, m4 up to the n number of particle, it is mn. With respect distances from axis of rotation is, for first particle is r1, second particle r2, third particle r3, and up to n number of particle having distance is rn. When body is rotating, then angular speed for all particle is the same. Angular speed, that is omega, is the same for all particle, but linear speed for all particles is different for different particle. For first particle is v1, second particle v2, third particle v3, up to n number of particles is vn. This is how find equation of rotational kinetic energy of body. These are very important article for 3 marks. Then how ask the question for your board exam. Derive expression for rotational kinetic energy of body. Then diagram for half mark, the description for diagram half mark, then other step half of, then last total mark is 3 marks. Then translation kinetic energy of body. Translation kinetic energy of first particle is given by, that is symbol is E1 is equal to 1/2 m1 v1 square. This is the kinetic energy of first particle. That is, this kinetic energy is the translation kinetic energy of first particle. E1 equal to 1/2 m1 v1 square. But v equal to r omega. This is the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. Omega is angular velocity and v is the linear velocity. This is relation between linear velocity and angular velocity. V equal to r omega. Then v is different for different particle. For first particle is v1 equal to r1 omega, not omega 1, because omega is the same for all particle. That is angular speed. Omega is the same for all particle. For first particle is v1 equal to r1 omega. Therefore e1 equal to 1/2 m1 r1 omega bracket square. Put in above equation v1 equal to r1 omega. Therefore e1 equal to 1/2 m1 r1 omega bracket square. It is equal to 1/2 m1, solve the bracket, 1/2 m1 r1 square omega square. This is the kinetic energy of first particle. e1 equal to 1/2 m1 r1 square omega square. This is equation number 1. Then similarly for second particle, E2 equal directly, E2 is equal to 1/2 m2 r2 square omega square. Number 2. Up to n number of particle, directly En equal to 1/2 mn rn square omega square. Equation number 3. This is the kinetic energy of first particle, second particle, up to n number of particle. Then total rotational kinetic energy of body is equal to sum of kinetic energy of all particle. म्हणजे त्या बॉडीची टोटल रोटेशनल किनेटिक एनर्जी करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, त्या प्रत्येक पार्टिकलची असणारी किनेटिक एनर्जी या सगळ्यांची बेरीज म्हणजेच रोटेशनल किनेटिक एनर्जी बॉडी असेल. म्हणून आपण काय केलं, प्रत्येक पार्टिकलची आपण किनेटिक एनर्जी काढून घेतली. फॉर फर्स्ट पार्टिकल E1, सेकंड पार्टिकल E2 and up to n number of particle En. Then total rotational kinetic energy of body. total rotational quantity of the body is equal to sum of kinetic energy of all particle. For first particle E1, second particle E2, up to the n number of particle En. Putting the value of E1, E2 and En in this equation. Therefore E is equal to E1 तुमने समोर आहे इक्वेशन नंबर 1/2 m1 r1 square omega square plus 1/2 m2 r2 square omega square plus dot plus En from equation number 3 1/2 mn rn square omega square. Equation number 4. Then this equation can be written in the summation form. In summation form is equal to common part 1/2 omega square. And remaining term first m1 r1 square, second term m2 r2 square plus dot plus mn rn square. mn rn square then write in summation form this bracket equal to 1/2 summation I equal to 1 to n mi ri square omega square, but summation I equal to 1 to n mi ri square is equal to I means moment of inertia of a body, moment of inertia of a body. When putting in above equation, therefore E is equal to 1/2 bracket that is capital I 1/2 I remaining omega square. Equation number 5. This is expression for expression for rotational kinetic energy of body, that is E rotation is equal to 1/2 I omega square. I is moment of inertia and omega is a angular velocity. Then in terms of frequency, how write this equation? That is omega equal to 2 pi f. Putting this value in our equation number 5, therefore E rotation equal to 1/2 I in bracket omega square, that is omega equal to 2 pi f bracket square, that is equal to 1/2 I 4 pi square f square. 4/2 it is 2 I f square pi square. Equation number 6. This is a rotational kinetic energy of body in terms of frequency. Equation number 5 is in terms of omega or in terms of moment of inertia. Not necessary for this equation. This is a necessary for expression, or this is necessary for equation. Rotational kinetic energy of body is equal to 1/2 I omega square. This is necessary for numerical. This equation is necessary for numerical. E rotational equal to 2 I f square pi square. Then next question, define moment of inertia with the certain dimension. By using this formula, define moment of inertia with the certain dimension. I is equal to summation sum of product of mass of each particle and square of distance. In this figure, r is distance, not radius. Then how write definition? By using the formula, moment of inertia is defined as sum of product of mass of each particle and sphere of distance from the axis of rotation is called as the moment of inertia I. Then SI unit, how write? By this equation, SI unit of moment of inertia. SI unit of moment of inertia, that is MI, is mass, that is kilogram, R is distance, that is meter square, kilogram meter square. This is SI unit of moment of inertia. Then dimension of moment of inertia, dimension of MI or moment of inertia is equal to kilogram in terms of, alright, dimension in terms of length, mass and time, kilogram in terms of mass, that is m1, meter in length, not time and mass, length square, time is not included in this term, that is time is 0. L2 m1 t0 or m1 L2 t0, this is dimension of moment of inertia, L2 m1 t0. Here short question, define moment of inertia with the certain dimension L2 m1 t0, and this is the equation of rotational continuity of body is equal to 1 by 2 I omega square. These are very important articles for 3 marks. Derive expression for rotational continuity of body of last equation number 5. Okay, now stop here.